Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever felt like your room isn't quite right? Do your walls feel plain or empty or just off? Maybe you're bored with your space, your room feels stale, or it doesn't excite you and you're feeling stuck. Well, today we are going to fix that with 7 creative ways to transform your walls. From textures and colors to art, functional shelving, plants, and lighting, these ideas will help you bring life and personality to your space. Let's get started. Texture and structural treatments. One of the quickest ways to make a wall feel intentional is by adding texture or structure. You can do so much without painting the whole room. Think about plaster. It can be smooth and sleek for a modern vibe, or you can add sand or aggregate for subtle texture. Roman clay or Venetian plaster bring a sense of luxury. Lime wash is another favorite. It softens walls with a gentle, almost cloudy watercolor-like finish. For a more industrial look, concrete walls or concreta give a modern, edgy feel. On the warmer side, wood paneling adds instant dimension. You could fully panel your walls with wood like shiplap or tongue-and-groove boards. Depending on the type of paneling you select, you can achieve a lot of different looks, from beachy to farmhouse or cottage to a mountain cabin look. If you like the look of paneling but not the price tag, go for a more economical use of wood and go for wainscoting. Wainscoting covers the lower portion of a wall, usually with panels, beadboard, or raised sections. It originally started as a way to protect walls from scuffs, but now it's mostly about style. You could panel the lower 2/3 or the lower half of your wall. Moldings are decorative trim pieces that you can add almost anywhere on the wall. Think about picture frame moldings that create little boxes, or crown moldings that finish off the top of a wall. You could add a chair or plate rail as well. All of these options will add detail, elegance, or a sense of structure to otherwise flat walls. Using tiles on your walls will create sculptural interest, and exposed brick adds history and character. Like the look of exposed brick? Try adding faux brick panels to get a similar look. If you want something more luxe, try a stone veneer in marble, limestone, or slate for drama. All of these options can make a wall feel custom and polished. Color and finish treatments. Perhaps the most obvious solution to a white wall is to paint it. There are infinite colors to choose from, but don't neglect the importance of the finish. Even small changes in color or finish can make a huge difference. A white paint in a high gloss is a very different look than a flat white and will create a very different feeling in your space. Metallic or pearl finishes catch the light beautifully and give a subtle, elegant shimmer. A single accent wall or bold color choice can totally elevate a room, but you're not limited to simply painting the room one color. If you're feeling creative, try ombre or gradient painting for a soft, artistic touch. Color blocking, geometric shapes, or stenciled patterns are great if you want to make statement walls without a lot of fuss. The key here is to experiment. Your walls are a canvas, and even a small, playful touch can transform the mood of a space. Another way to give walls personality is with wall coverings. Wallpaper comes in countless patterns, from subtle textures to bold, dramatic designs. If you have trouble committing to wallpaper, try a peel and stick option. The peel and stick application process is not as forgiving as traditional wallpaper with paste, so I suggest you bribe a helper with pizza or some other treat. If your wallpaper is too much of a commitment, try a fabric covering. Hanging tapestries, quilts, and blankets can make a space feel cozy and luxurious. Murals, whether painted or printed, instantly turn your wall into a centerpiece of the room. You can hire an artist to design a custom mural, try your hand at a DIY, or order a wallpaper mural. Even just covering one wall with wallpaper or a mural can completely change how a space feels. Walls are a perfect opportunity to show your personality through art and decor. If you are a maximalist, consider a gallery wall. Gallery walls let you display a lot of pieces and cover a large area. You can get creative with the art in your gallery by mixing photographs with art prints, paintings, and objects you love. If you love the idea of a gallery wall but want a more streamlined look, aim for unity within your pieces. Try using the same color frames or the same color and size matting to create cohesion. You could also feature art in a similar color palette. A themed gallery wall that features oil paintings or botanicals or black and white photos will create a more harmonious look. Here is the gallery wall I made in my living room. In this gallery wall, I have mixed photos of people, places, and nature. I've mixed watercolor paintings with an art print on canvas of a still life oil painting, and a shadow box with spurs from when I used to ride horses. While these art pieces are eclectic, I have kept it cohesive by putting all of the art in black frames. I recently acquired new artwork and I want to redesign this gallery wall. This time I want it to look a little more symmetrical. The first thing I'm going to do is take everything off of the wall. Next, I'm going to lay all of the pieces on the floor and play with the design. Once I have something I like, I'll put the pieces up on the wall. Now, I know some people have trouble visualizing the gallery wall this way, so I would recommend the template method. Make paper templates that are the shape and size of all of your art. Use tape to place them directly on the wall, move them around until you get a design you like. I use the template method in my bedroom gallery wall, which you'll see in a future video. Another tip I have for hanging a gallery wall is to pick one piece to serve as the anchor for the whole wall. Start with that piece and build the design of the gallery around it. For this gallery wall, I used the 3 largest pieces as the anchors and I built out the design based on those 3 pieces. As you hang your art, use your level to make sure each piece is straight, otherwise the whole gallery wall may look wonky. I recommend using museum wax to hold each piece in place. It's easy to use and it doesn't leave gunk on your fingers or the walls. I'll link the museum wax, hole filler, and level in my caption. Here is my updated gallery wall. While gallery walls are a classic way to fill up wall space, sometimes you don't want a whole collection of smaller frames. Instead, one large art piece can have even more impact. The beauty of going big is that it feels bold, simple, and intentional. Think about an oversized canvas with abstract brush strokes or even a DIY piece that you create yourself. You could stretch fabric or wallpaper over a frame for instant wall-sized artwork. Or, if you love photography, print one of your favorite shots on a large canvas. One striking piece of art can anchor the whole space without feeling cluttered. It's clean, it's powerful, and it makes the wall a true statement without the fuss of arranging dozens of little pieces. There are a lot of ways to decorate your walls outside of hanging traditional art. Lean into other pieces like mirrors. Not only will a mirror fill the space, but it will also expand the space and reflect light. Hang one large mirror or group them together. You can also mount decorative screens or room dividers on your wall. These pieces would act as functional art. Along the lines of fabric wall coverings I mentioned previously, textiles like macrame and woven hangings add warmth and texture. Having a resurgence in popularity right now is displaying plates and platters as art. Hanging these pieces adds interest to your walls while freeing up space in your cabinets. Other everyday items can act as art. Items like trays and baskets, or more niche and unique to you items like guitars and other collectibles. These pieces can become interesting wall displays if arranged thoughtfully. Mixing different sized pieces, textures, and heights keeps your walls dynamic and visually engaging. A decorative element that combines paint and art is trompe-l'œil, which is French for trick the eye, and it's all about creating illusions on your walls. This could be something as simple as painting a faux window with a view or an archway that looks like it opens into another room. Some people paint bookshelves, doors, or even entire architectural features that aren't really there. Shelving and functional solutions. Walls don't have to just be decorative. Maybe you'd like to add functionality. If you need a lot of storage, install built-ins to hold books, games, baskets, and collectibles. Built-ins instantly make a wall feel custom while adding storage, interest, and potentially adding seating. If you can't afford or commit to built-in shelving, try installing shelves. Fixed shelves, floating shelves, and ledges are great for displaying and containing art, plants, or books without the commitment of a large built-in. Wall niches and recessed shelving provide subtle display areas. Pegboards and slat walls give you modular options that are easy to switch up. Even small shelving updates can make a wall feel purposeful while giving you room to showcase items you love. Plants and natural elements. Adding plants or natural elements brings life and freshness to your walls. Living walls or vertical gardens create dramatic, organic focal points. Not ready to embrace a living wall? Hang planters instead. They are simple, flexible, easy to install, and eye-catching. And moss panels or preserved plant art add texture and color without the upkeep. Even a few well-placed plants can soften a wall and make the room feel warmer and more inviting. Lastly, we have lighting and visual interest. Lighting can completely transform a wall. Wall sconces serve as both functional light and decorative accents. They can be hardwired, plug-in, or battery-operated, and there's always a candle sconce to consider. LED strip lighting highlights textures, shelves, or architectural details. And for a bold, modern touch, neon or statement lighting makes a big impact. If you have the will and the way, you could install a faux fireplace. Invest in a fireplace surround, place candles or an electric or gas-operated fireplace inside. Note, look into tabletop versions, ventless versions, whatever will be safe and make the most sense for your home. Lighting can draw attention to the features you love and make the room feel alive even after the sun goes down. Your walls don't have to feel empty or uninspiring. With these 7 ideas, you have plenty of ways to bring personality and life into your space. Pick 1 or 2 ideas, try them out, and watch your walls transform into something you truly enjoy. I'm sure there are other ways to dress up a wall. If you think I've missed something, add it to the comments. If this video gave you inspiration, hit like, subscribe, and share your favorite wall makeover ideas in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!